Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Sydney. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this cute bun on my thick hair. As you guys can see, I do have a different background and I'm really excited about that. And before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Let's get into the video. Hey y'all, so right now I'm just spraying my hair and using my products to brush my hair and to get my hair ready to put it in the ponytail. So now I'm just going to wrap my hair tie around my hair to form my bun and use bobby pins to secure it down. So now I'm wrapping my hair up. I'm gonna come back in an hour and show you guys the results.